Ready to start?
Yes.
How about this one?
Although.
Good. And this one?
Dream.
Very good. And this one?
Mother.
Good. And how about this one?
Everyone.
That's very good. Good job, Jay. Can you pat yourself on the back? Awesome. Good job, Jay. Are you ready to read your book?
Yes.
Okay. What does it say?
Here comes the bride.
Here comes the bride. And so this is page 1.
Ran and drag, get, set for the bride.
And last page, page 8.
Here comes Graham, Mom, and Dad. Grin.
Good job, Jalen. That was the end of the story. Okay, now you have the worksheet in front of you, yes? So we're gonna do 3 together. Then after that, you're gonna do the rest for homework, okay? So what's the first word?
Grass.
Grass. So are you gonna circle that word or X that word?
Circle.
Okay, so circle the word grass. And put an X on the word dress, just like this.
Done.
Good. So do you have the first ones done like this? Can I see your paper? Very nice, Jay. Are you ready for your movable alphabet?
Yes.
How do you spell basket? Then write it.
Ba. A. S. Ka.
Good. Basket.
A.
Good. Yes.
Ta.
Ah, good job. Ta. Basket. Basket. Can you write down basket, please? Okay, so we are going to cut our words and our pictures. This is a picture of a pickup truck. So I'm gonna glue it to the paper, okay, on the top. Good job. Then we have to find the word pickup truck. Does this say pickup truck?
No.
No? What does that say?
Pickup truck.
Good. So let's put some glue behind there and stick it onto our cut and paste. Like this. Pickup truck.
Done.
Good. And what's this one?
Hot pad.
Very good. And this one?
Backpack.
Good. And this one?
Milk truck.
Very good. Okay, good job, Jay. So for homework, you are going to do your worksheet for Here Comes the Bride. And you are going to practice now your sight words number 1 because you passed number 6, but you're going to practice spelling them now. Yes. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you tomorrow, okay?
Okay.